kids! Welcome back to today's lesson. Today, we're going to learn all about tally marks. So grab your pencils and let's start counting. What are tally marks? Tally marks are a fun and easy way to keep count of things. They are marks we can use to represent numbers. They look like little sticks on your paper that help you see how many of something you have. Imagine you have 5 apples. Instead of writing the number 5, you can draw 5 tally marks. Let's see how this is done. Draw one vertical line like this for the first apple. That's 1 tally mark. Draw another line for the second apple. Now, you have 2 tally marks. Keep going until you have 4 vertical lines. When we reach the 5th apple, we draw a diagonal line across the first 4. This makes a group of 5. Why use tally marks? Tally marks are great because they make counting easy. When you see a group of 5, you can quickly say 5 without counting each individual mark. Now that we know what tally marks are, let us do some more practice. Let's complete the following table using tally marks. In a recent classroom survey, each student was asked to pick their favorite shape from triangles, squares, rectangles, and circles. Let's see how they voted by converting the number of votes to tally marks. Based on our survey, 3 students voted for square as their favorite shape. Now, let's convert the number of votes into tally marks. Pause the video and try solving it yourself. Since we only have 3 votes, all we need to do is to draw or write 3 tally marks. Next, we have 12 students who voted for a circle as their favorite shape. What we do is to write 2 groups of 5 tally marks to represent 10. Then we write the 2 remaining tally marks. Now we have 5 plus 5, which is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. Go ahead and pause the video and finish the 2 remaining shapes. When you are done, resume the video and compare the answers. Tally marks are not just for counting toys or shapes. We can use them for many things. Let's say we want to keep track of our daily reading. Each day you read, you can add a tally mark. By the end of the week, you can see how many days you have read just by looking at your tally marks. Wasn't that fun? Now you know how to use tally marks to count all sorts of things. Thanks for counting with me today. See you next time for more math adventures.